What is up, YouTube? Back for another quick video on the 24 Raptor. Today we're going to be swapping out the version 1 of these rear AC floor vents for the new Mabett version 2. So I had just installed these. For anyone that follows the channel, I will drop the link right here for the original video of version 1 of these. Mabett just came out with a brand new version 2. So let's get these opened up, and you'll see here that they have a bend which will give you a better angle when you have big floor mats, specifically the factory Ford rubber ones. So I was excited to try these out, so I picked up a new set of these. We're going to remove these, put the new ones on, and we'll see how it fits. So just real quick, you can see the gap that it causes here, the tension that it's putting on this, like so. So hopefully that will all be relieved once the new ones are on. So the easiest way to remove these and to swap them, just pull the whole thing out like so. We're going to take this off, put the new one on this, reattach it, and we'll see how it looks. All right, guys, there you have it. 30 seconds later, here we are. You can see how much better now the fitment is. It's not even touching it on this. Much better angle, and installs super quick. So this is definitely the easiest way to do it. I know a lot of people try to line it up while that duct is still connected. I would recommend the way I did it, but you do whatever suits you. Either way, the version 2, much better than version 1. We'll go swap out the other side and we'll be back on the road. So thanks for watching. Drop any comments or questions below and keep following the build.